Behind me is the schmodified Lamborghini, and I'm going to talk about all the reasons I hate it as a car. Number one, it's filthy. That really has nothing to do with the car, but it definitely doesn't add to the appeal. Number two, this is actually a first generation Gallardo, despite what you may think from the front bumper. And anyways, it doesn't match up well, and there's a body kit for it. Number two, these hot boy exhaust. Like, what is going on there? Because this is a V10 and not a V12, it's got poverty doors. They just open like regular car doors. What is this, a Honda Civic? The interior is actually pretty solid. It's just dirty and it smells kind of funky. I'm not really sure what Schmodified is going to do with this car. I know that the build is going to be insane, but for now, why? And last but not least, I am not a manual elitist jerk by any means, but this E-Gear is a pathetic automatic scum. The E-Gear is, in my opinion, one of the worst transmissions ever built, and it's just very disappointed. I am confident that Schmodified will end up doing some type of manual conversion of this car, and then I will like it once it's sorted.